Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, a valid restore point and saved work. Once confirmed, close all programs so files aren't locked, and temporarily suspend disk encryption if the tool flags it. Next, open System Restore from Control Panel or Settings Right Arrow Recovery. This launches the wizard. You're doing this because restore points revert system files and registry without touching personal files, so it's safe but deliberate. Now click Next to view available restore points and prepare to choose the most relevant snapshot. Now you pick the restore point. Choose the latest snapshot from before the problem appeared. Once selected, click Scan for affected programs so you know which apps or drivers will be removed or restored. This prevents surprises. Make note of drivers or updates you'll need to reinstall afterwards. If you see system image or installer changes, pause. Ensure you have installation media or downloads ready. You do this because restoring alters system files. Being prepared shortens downtime and reduces the risk of missing critical drivers or updates. Confirm your choice and start the restore. The system will close apps and restart automatically to apply changes. Once Windows boots, test core functions, network, display, and the app that failed, and reinstall any drivers or updates the scan flagged. If everything works, run Windows Update to finalize patches. If the restore fails or Windows won't boot, reboot into safe mode or the recovery environment and try a different restore point or run startup repair. This troubleshooting tip usually resolves boot or restore conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.